Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the vertical power socket. It's actually my first one. Model TPVD5U9K, color black, patent, dun dun. Sticker there. That's one of the sides. A little bit of specs would be current 10A, voltage 220 to 250, power dun 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 dun. Okay, cool. Indoor use only, so don't go put it outside and plug it to the pool pump or something. Features would be unique tower design, providing enough space between each outlet. Yeah, we'll see how it is on the vertical. Outlets with 4 USB-A and 1 USB-C ports, providing enough AC and DC outlet for charging. And that's kind of one of the main reasons I bought it was for this USB ports and this USB-C. I've got a few new things that have come through with USB-C, and it's like, I need a charger. Then 5 volts, 1 USB-A and 18-watt USB-C output, so fast charging, that's cool. Fire retardant material and pure copper cable, so it's high quality material. Nice. And then overload switch can automatically shut down the power when overloading, which can protect the devices immediately. Also cool. Made in China. Let's see what's inside the box. Dun, 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 dun. So first up, it looks like it's covered in this little plastic. Okay, so we've got one user manual. Let's see if it focuses. There and yeah. Fuses, nice. So we'll put it there, and then the whole reason. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, very nice. Feels a bit cheap plastic, to be honest, when I first get it, but we'll see how it does. Not like that premium quality finish. 3 plugs, 3, so 3, 6, 9, and then there's our USBs. Nice. On, off. Here's the bottom. Cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If anyone got it, please comment below or smash the like button. Otherwise, thanks for watching.